Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy May. Wow, I can't believe we're in May already. These months have just flew by for me. So I am using the Astral Swirl today, and Happy Thoughts stamp set, Colorful Life Designs has a new release, and I am going to be using these colors, these pastel colors, grape jelly, I think Arctic, and cotton candy are the colors. And this is Hammer Mill cardstock. So I am just gonna ink blend it using my Make Art station, and I will start out with the grape jelly first, and then I will do Arctic and then cotton candy. So a Colorful Life Designs also has a Master Creator bundle, and that is the whole release, marked down 20%. So that is an amazing deal. You cannot use my coupon code, unfortunately, but it's a great deal. So you'll want to get that new Master Creator bundle for May. So I am using Arctic ink. I noticed that my green, or it's like a blue, but it actually looks green, and I probably should have chose my blue brush to ink blend it, but that is okay. I kind of like that it looks a little green. Anyways, so I'm going to be using cotton candy next. But you get the gist of what I was trying to do here anyways. I just wanted to show you how this card came together. And it's really simple, and I love simple cards. And I had a question in my last video: do you like stamps or dies more, or maybe like stencils more? I love stencils, but in that question I had just asked about stamps and dies, and lately I've been buying more dies than stamps, so I am trying to use up what I have in my stash, so that's always a good thing. Here is the mermaid die. I was just showing you the name of the kit that it came from. I actually got this die set from a mystery, was it like a mystery box, or a surprise mystery box? So I was really happy with this mermaid die, so I really wanted to use it for this card. These circles reminded me of like air, like the bubbles, water bubbles, I guess. I don't know if that's what you would say. What, maybe it's air bubbles that you would say for water themed. So that is why I chose this for my theme. And then I went with those colors just because I love them. And I cut out this mermaid 3 times with white cardstock and 1 with silver cardstock. And the silver is a thick cardstock, so I did run it 2 times through my machine just to make sure it cut properly. And I will go ahead and glue those together, and then I did cut out the air or water bubbles, air bubbles with silver cardstock as well. And that is 5 of them. And so here is the new stamp set, the Oh Happy 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 Day, and I just love the fonts from this new stamp set. Another favorite is Lots of Love from Afar, so I will probably use that one a lot. Especially I do love the Sending Big Love or Sending Happy Thoughts. Actually they are all pretty amazing. I will be using all of them, so I hope you grab the new stamp set. You can use my code vonfan10 to save 10% off your purchase. And I'm just stamping that one time there. And my panel was also cut to A2 size. And so I will just glue my mermaid and my bubbles and add it to an A2 card base. So I had so much fun with this release. I will be sharing a lot. I hope you were able to join in on the Spring into Christmas Linky party. I did make a lot of Christmas cards. I was promoting a Colorful Life Designs. Mary Kay was so nice to offer to be a sponsor, so I wanted to share some cards using her stencils. And that is it for this card. So I will just glue it now to my card base, and I felt like it didn't need any sequins just because I used the bubbles. And there we go. And I will go ahead and show them both together here, and my code is right there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by.